Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Facebook friends' birthday notifications not showing. We start by clicking on the drop-down menu and then on the settings and privacy icon. Next, we will click on the notifications option within preferences. After that, we will click on birthday. Finally, we will check if we have the option to allow notifications on Facebook active, and if not, we will activate one of the ways to receive these notifications. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.